How to use extend command in AutoCAD. This command is very useful for electromechanical drawing. First I will draw here one line. You see that line is not a joint another line or object. Then I will use extend command. First I will type extend from keyboard or shortcut key EX, then press enter. Now command is active. Click the object which line you want to extend. I will click this line. You see now this line is joined another line. So this is the use of extend command. Also you can active this command from draw panel. Same procedure. Now I will active this command from draw panel. Again example, I will extend this line. So click here, click this line. You see this is the extend and join the another line. This is the use of extend command. Thank you.